Hello, welcome to the world of trucks. Trucks move America, shipping all of America's goods and products across this nation. Now we're going to talk about trucks and the truck drivers in this industry. Trucks come in many different sizes and shapes that's required of them to perform their duties. Most drivers out there are trained professionals and they get their training from approved truck driving school. I've been doing it for 16 years and I believe I can give you some information about it. Some of the 4 points that I want to make here, and one of them is types of trucks. Second is the rules and regulations. Third, safety on our nation's highways. And the fourth one is the truck driver organizations that support them. Now the types of trucks out there, like the local services trucks that are around in your neighborhood, you've probably seen them every day or every morning when they come out to pick up your trash. They're the like waste management, recycle. They come out pick up your trash every morning. And then you got the other one that's local, the little tanker trucks, propane gas trucks that go out and refuel the propane tanks at farms or rural areas. Now the long haul trucks, the ones that go the long distance, like the dry vans that carry paper products, electronics and computers. And then you got the refrigerator vans that keep your food cold and frozen during delivery to all the grocery warehouses. Other trucks that are out there on the long road include flatbed carriers that carry these bulky, like these metal racks here that won't fit in a normal dry van. And then you got the specialized carriers, like this oversized load truck that's going through this mountain pass carrying a construction vehicle, a big tractor, delivering it. Now there's some rules and regulations to this career for trucks and truck drivers to abide by. I'd like to point out hazardous material handling. The truck driver has to have the endorsement on his Class 8 CDL license. In order to get that, he has to get fingerprinting done, a background check in accordance with the Homeland Security policies. Now the driver also, if he's carrying these hazardous materials, he has to put on the correct placard for whatever he's carrying in his vehicle. Once these placards are put on his vehicle and they are properly placed according to Federal Motor Carriers Handbook, then he can drive that vehicle across our nation's highways safely and legally. Another part of the rules and regulation I want to iterate is the hours of service rules. Drivers have to log their daily occurrences, their daily activity on logbooks, on their delivery, their shipments, everything, according to the guidelines that are in that handbook from the Federal Motor Carriers Safety Administration. Paper logbooks that they annotate all their history on look similar to this one here. And then later on, right now, they're starting to get into the high-tech age of electronic logs, where a driver can actually, from his cab of his truck, punch in his daily log on an electronic computer, electronically send it to his company, to their log department, and be done with it. Another thing is safety. Safety is really important on our nation's highways and byways. We share the highways with vehicles such as cars, motorcycles, and other trucks. The other thing is the traffic. There's high traffic patterns in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and then there's medium to low ones in the Sherman and Denison area around here. Following distance are different for trucks than cars. They need a 7-car following distance in order to stop. Blind spots for trucks. These are very important as well. In the no zones, you don't want to be around a truck in these no zone areas because he can't see you. And therefore, if he does a lane change, he can sideswap you without knowing it. Again, that goes into my tight turns to watch for. This picture right here depicts a little car that's pinched in there between that truck. Just an accident waiting to happen. Organizations that support the trucking industry include OIDA, the Owner Operators Driver Association. They lobby for us drivers in Washington, D.C., and they also have a show of the latest truck and accessories, and they've been around since 1973. Now, the American Trucking Association is another organization that's out there for us, and they've been out since 1933. They promote and educate the safety measures for drivers out there on the road. We also have a Truckers Appreciation Week that happens in September for all these drivers that need to be appreciated for what they do. So today we went over 4 main points that I found that were important in the trucking industry. I covered the types of trucks, rules and regulations, the safety, and the truck driver organizations. My final thought on this is that truckers move America. Whether it is a local furniture truck or a long-haul trucker, America's products are getting delivered and picked up every day of the year. Along with the safety concerns and the ever-increasing economy, more and more trucks hit the road in this fast-paced world we live in. So next time you see a trucker, thank him or her for what they do for us out there. And may God bless our American truck drivers. Thank you.